If you use AI tool for writing productivity or content creation, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get TextShift Pro free for 1 month without adding any payment detail. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
I will give this link in this video description, or you can simply go to Google and search textshift.org and simply click on this start free. You can use your Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook, or Tempmail also. Simply click on sign up with Google. Then select one Gmail account if you had already logged in multiple Gmail account in your Chrome profile. And here you can see welcome back. And from TechShift.org you can AI detection you can use, or humanizer and plagiarism checker also. So simply go to your profile, scroll down, and here you can see have a promo code option. I will give this promo code in this video description and on WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel also. Just paste promo code and click on this redeem code. Here you can see we had successfully get 20,000 word for premium private content that is not available on YouTube, and few things I can't discuss publicly. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.